Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angelic Bengsola. We talk about everything: beauty, fashion, lifestyle, everything in general, anything helpful, anything that we can learn from. So today what we're doing mainly is simple way on how to fix your own wig yourself. When I say fix, how to lay your frontal wig, where you can lay your own frontal wig. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust this thing by yourself without going to the salon, without spending like any money to that Mama Risika or that Beauty by Lola. Simple and easy steps. So firstly, what I'll be doing is, for me, I love to put a sign on where I want my wig to start from. So for me, I want it to be somewhere here. Somewhere here. Can you see that? We have the mark here now. And we go to the next step. The next thing you want to do is, you want to protect your front hair. You don't want the glue, of course, because you want to look beautiful now. You don't want your front hair to cut off. What we'll be doing is, we'll be using a brush, like a regular brush that you use in brushing your teeth. I'm sure everybody has this at home. And a gel. For me, I'll be using Eco Gel. So you can use any kind of gel you have in your house. Just want to protect our edges. Just put it there. Brush it to the back. Can you see? Brush, brush, brush. After we are done with that, we'll move on to the next step. Next thing I'll be doing is, you have to clean the front of your hair. I'm supposed to clean the front of my head first, like my forehead first, before I actually applied this mark. Since I've done that, I'll just clean it now. I'm doing this because any oil you have, or sweat, or anything you have in front of your forehead, so you can clean it off. You just use the wipes, and you don't make use of the wipes. You can use a cloth, your handkerchief or something, so that when you apply your glue, it would not, the oil would not come together with the glue, so that it can stay. Because if you have any form of water or something, or oil, it might affect your hair, your wig, from gluing well. So we just clean it. Clean this as well. Then I'll put the mark again. The next step is to make use of your glue. This glue. If you don't have this white glue, I got this on Shein, but you can get it anywhere. If you don't have this white glue, you can make use of the got to be, I think blasting freezing spray. It works well. The reason why I don't use only this is because I noticed that it does not last me for so long. It's written 72 hours, but for me, it doesn't last me than 24 hours. Because when I get into the shower and in the process of taking my bath, when water touches the hair, the front places, like the front starts to come up. So I make use of this. I also make use of this. The two together, boom, it does the work well for me. So, but if you don't have this, you can make use of only this. And in some cases, if you're on a rush, like you have somewhere to go and you're rushing, you can make use of only this. Maybe you have a party to attend and you don't want to go through the stress of putting this, drying it, because this has to get dried. When we start, you understand what I'm saying, before you can put your hair on it. But if you are rushing, just put it. When you've done that, wait a bit, let it get dry, then you are good to go. This works fast for a rushy and fast kind of outing. You can make use of the got to be blasting spray. The next thing to do is to make use of our white glue. So you just put your glue there. Put your glue. Take your comb, your tail comb. Now you spread it to the back. You spread it to the back. You can add more. Let's add to the side. Then we add to the other side here. So now you spread it to the back. Then you wait for it to get dry. How you know that this white glue is drying off is that you no longer see the whitish stuff again. It becomes invincible. Can you see? This place is getting dried already. So you notice that you can't see it again. This side is also dry. So you wait for a while. You have maybe a fan. You can make use of your fan so it can get dry on time. If you don't have a fan, if you have hair dryer, you can make use of your hair dryer too. So can you see that this side is dried already? So I layer mine up to 3 times. I layer it up to 2 times, and I apply the same glue again the second time. If you have any excesses, just use your wipes to clean it up. Try this again. We are there. Then I'll be applying it again the 3rd time because I want it to be really the white stuff is gone. The white glue is gone. By this time, when you put your hand on your glue, you see it's sticky. Can you see? We've achieved what we want to achieve. We'll pick our wig. Take off the clip at the back of your wig so it can give you more space to work with the wig. Let's brush this to the back. Now that you have brushed it to the back, you put it on, but you make sure any of the hair to touch the glue. If it touches it, it's going to grab it. Then the next thing, you place your wig from the center, place it on the glue. Make sure you've already checked the side. This is the first side. I love to pack this thing. Now, these are the 2 sides of the wig. This is the first side and this is the second side. I've used this wig before, so I'm reinstalling it the second time. Now you start from the middle. The middle, then you place it on your wig. Can you see that? Follow the same thing, move to the side. You press it down, then come here to press it down, press it down, press it down. Then we come to the other side as well. Pick your wig, place it on the glue. Till we get to the side. Now we are there. Use your tail comb and comb it to the back because it will glue. Sometimes it glues down your wig. So comb it to the back and press this stuff down. Press your wig. Press it down on the wig, on the glue. Press any excess glue. In case you have any excess glue in front, you use your wipes or your handkerchief. You dip the handkerchief. If you are making use of the handkerchief, you dip the handkerchief in water. That's to clean excess glue. You don't use water when you are cleaning off the oil for the first one, but when you want to clean off excess glue, you use your wipes. You pick your elastic band. If you don't have this elastic band, you can make use of a scarf, but this is the best option. The elastic band now on your frontal, just the front. You can clip it or you tie it depending on the firmness that you want. So for me, I'll be tying it because I want it to be firm. You see what I'm doing here? Once we are done with that, we have to wait for maybe 1 minute. The process of waiting, so we don't waste too much time. We can use that to style the hair. So after you've created your path, the pattern in front, if you have this kind of brush at home, you know that brush we use for concealing our eyebrows. So the tip, you just use your powder. Use the powder to highlight your pattern. Can you see what it's doing? Even if it is the side pattern that you've decided to do, after you've created the part already, just use your powder to highlight it. Take off our band to see our results. Can you see the result? Even the hair has glued with it. That's the effect of the white glue. Can you see what the elastic band does? It has glued down the wig to the back. Because the hair sometimes gets glued as well. So use your tail comb it through to raise up any hair strand that has also glued down on the gum. Then you do the same thing. What I use this got to be blasting spray for is for that extra grip on your lace. I do not spray it on it. I just pick it. I can spray it on something, on the cover. You can spray it into the cover. You go in with your tail comb, pick it. Then I'll place it on the lace in front, just for that extra hold, for just the tip. Go in with your rubber band again the second time, and you wait for some minutes, like 3 minutes max. You can go 5 minutes if you're comfortable, because this band here, this melting band here, it gives headache. So please take notes. Don't say I did not tell you. Now I'll be taking off this rubber. It's not easy to be beautiful. Yoruba adage goes like Ikoko toba ma what? Please help me in the comment section. Toba ma muata. Idie magbono. This is what we call it. It's hot. Okay. See this? Fan. It is holding it. I'm doing it for the other side. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah. Now that you're done, all you need to do is just do some finishing touches. Use your wipes to clean off the little glue that we can see, like this one here. Use your wipes. I think we're done with this side. This side is clear now. Okay, it's also clean now. And you have the final look. Can you see this easy and simple way to glue down your lace wig? I hope you find this helpful. If you followed this tutorial to the end, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next one. Bye.